Hi guys, hope you're super well. Just dropped Ari off to school. Thought I'd do a really good video on the importance, in fact the huge importance and the huge benefit of how small habits done regularly can lead to massive results when it comes to exam preparation. I'm Dr. Amin Arora. We do loads of videos on productivity, efficiency and boosting your medical exam preparation to maximize your potential. And this video is all about those very small but regular, consistent things that you do that can the overall aim of maximizing benefit as time goes on. So for example, if you're preparing for an MCQ based exam, you could just cram everything into 3 months and just really hammer it down. Or if you're starting kind of 6 months in advance, or even kind of 4 or 5 months in advance, just picking little small habits that you do every single day without fail that are going to compound in terms of things like knowledge and technique. So for example, you might say, look, every single day I'm going to somehow, I don't know how, but I'm going to somehow make sure I do 10 questions every day without fail. Maybe make it at a particular time or morning, evening, or something like that becomes routine, that becomes habits. 10 questions a day doesn't seem so much, but the compound effect of doing that over 5 or 6 months or even longer really starts to benefit in that final 3 or 4 months, where you see your knowledge and your technique boosting significantly, not because you're doing 10-hour days at that point, but because you've been doing consistent small steps along the way. Another example, you could do this within a day as well. So you could say, look, every single hour in this day for the next, 5 weeks, every single hour in the day that I'm awake, I'm going to spend 2 minutes reading something about a particular condition or a guideline, or reading a small chunk of information, or even doing 2 questions every hour. Just chunking it down even as far as that, where you develop this habit that every time almost it clicks 12, you kind of get that trigger to do something. Very small 2 minutes, like 2 minutes doesn't take very long, it might seem insignificant, but it's the compound effect of doing this regularly until almost it's like a habit. So over the space of 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks, your knowledge dramatically increases without it seeming like you're spending your whole life doing preparation for an exam. Let me give you a third example. Say for example, you are in a clinic-based job. Say you're a GP trainee, you're praying for AKT, doing RCA, whatever it might be, or you're praying for PLAB 2 and you're in a hospital environment, in a clinic. Why don't you say, look, every patient that I see, I'm going to spend 60 seconds learning something about that condition or presentation that I've just literally seen. So it could be something really simple like an upper respiratory tract infection or a sore throat or an ear infection, or it might be something really rare like Kawasaki disease. But whatever it is, I'm going to spend 1 minute reading something of value about that condition. It could be differentials, it could be key presentation features, it could be a key treatment, it could be a side effect of a treatment, whatever it might be. But you spend literally 60 seconds learning something about that condition, and the knowledge that you build over time due to small, consistent, regular steps and habits is huge on the other side. You probably heard about this theory called the compound effect, that when you do small things, like for example savings, for example in finance is used quite a lot there, but the same is with knowledge. Small, regular, and the key is consistent steps done regularly that don't seem very much at the time, rapidly build up if you stick to it over a long period of time. So building up really good habits is important and really beneficial for when you prepare for your exam. So remember, yes, you can sit there for 3 months non-stop and cram for an exam, or 2 weeks non-stop for an exam, or do all-nighters for an exam, but the benefit may be just the same. In fact, maybe not even as good as starting a little bit earlier and building up regular habits that don't take too much time, that don't make too much sacrifice, that don't make you give up the whole of your day or week or month, but within time significantly boost your benefit when it comes to your exam, because you're increasing efficiency, you're improving productivity, and you're keeping momentum going for much longer periods of time. We do so many more videos like this on productivity and efficiency on the channel. Please do subscribe, share, like, comment if you found it of some value. If you want 10% off any of our training courses for AKT, RCA, MSRA, PLAB 1, PLAB 2, med school, etc., then please use the coupon AuroraVideo10 for 10% off on the website auroramedicaleducation.co.uk. I really hope this helps. Remember, small, consistent, regular, non-disruptive steps done every single day or every single hour, but in very short increments, has huge impacts going forward. I really hope this video has been some value. You know the hashtag Campus will pass, hashtag I went with Aurora. Have a great day.